Denon Perl Pro review. Hello my dear friend. Today, we are diving deep into the latest wireless earbud model from Denon, the Denon Perl Pro. These earbuds elevate your music listening experience to a whole new level with their personalized sound profile and lossless audio technology, making them especially exciting for music lovers. My dear friend, before we jump into the video, I have a quick reminder. Creating these videos takes a lot of effort, but subscribing to the channel only takes 2 seconds. Don't forget, your support is my biggest source of motivation. If you subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment, it would make both me and my team very happy. Now, go ahead and subscribe, and let's get into the review. Design. The Denon Perl Pro stands out with its sleek and modern design. Weighing just 8.6 grams, these earbuds are lightweight, ensuring comfort during extended use. With multiple ear tip sizes and secure fit wings, they are designed to fit every ear perfectly. Plus, with an IPX4 rating for water and sweat resistance, they're a great choice for workouts or outdoor use. Sound quality. One of the standout features of the Denon Perl Pro is its personalized sound experience. Thanks to Massimo adaptive acoustic technology, this tech tailors the earbuds' sound profile specifically to you. Additionally, the earbuds deliver CD quality, lossless audio via Qualcomm aptX lossless, allowing you to enjoy your music in its purest form. The spatial audio feature, supported by Dirac Virtuo, expands the soundstage, offering a more immersive music experience. The 10mm triple-layer titanium diaphragm drivers deliver clarity, especially in the bass and high frequencies. With the adjustable bass feature, you can even enhance the bass levels to suit your preferences. My dear friend, before you continue watching the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Your support means a lot to us. Active noise cancellation. The Denon Perl Pro effectively reduces external noise with its adaptive active noise cancellation technology. Even in noisy environments, you can enjoy your music clearly. The transparency mode also allows you to stay aware of your surroundings without removing the earbuds. Connectivity and battery life. With Bluetooth 5.3, the Denon Perl Pro offers faster and more stable connections. The earbuds also support multi-point connectivity, allowing you to connect to 2 devices simultaneously. They provide up to 8 hours of playback on a single charge. And with the charging case, you get a total of 24 hours of usage. The fast charging feature gives you 1 hour of playback with just 5 minutes of charging. The case supports wireless charging and can fully charge in just 1 hour. A quick reminder, my dear friend, if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. We're looking forward to your likes and comments. Microphone and call quality. Each earbud is equipped with 4 microphones, along with bone conduction technology, ensuring crystal clear phone calls. With aptX voice for super wideband audio, you'll experience clearer communication. Conclusion. The Denon Perl Pro truly stands out in the wireless earbud world with its personalized sound experience, lossless audio quality, and adaptive noise cancellation. It's a perfect choice for both daily use and for those seeking a professional music experience. If music is your passion, you should definitely try the Denon Perl Pro. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your support is a huge motivation for me to keep creating content and reviewing more products. By liking the video and leaving your valuable comments, you're not only supporting me, but also the team behind the scenes that worked hard to make this video possible. Thank you in advance, my dear friend.